Did you know booking flights on Tuesdays and Wednesdays can often get you the cheapest fares? Airlines tend to release weekly sales on these days, making it an ideal time to secure lower prices. By planning your purchase for midweek, you can often save a significant amount on your travel expenses. Have you heard that using a VPN can sometimes help you find cheaper flight deals by changing your virtual location? By masking your IP address and pretending to browse from a different country, you can access flight prices set for local markets, which can sometimes be lower than those shown to your actual location. Interestingly, booking flights and accommodations in incognito mode can sometimes prevent price increases due to repeated searches. Websites use cookies to track your activity and may raise prices if they see that you're repeatedly searching for the same routes or stays. Browsing in private mode helps keep your search history hidden and prices stable. Can you believe some airlines offer free stopovers, letting you explore multiple cities for the price of one ticket? This perk allows you to spend a few days in a layover city without additional airfare costs, providing an opportunity to see more destinations on a single trip. Did you know that many museums and attractions have free admission days each month? By planning your visit around these days, you can enjoy cultural and educational experiences without spending a dime. Checking the schedules in advance can help you maximize your sightseeing budget. Interestingly, you can save money by traveling with just a carry-on bag. Avoiding checked baggage fees? Packing light not only speeds up your airport experience, but also helps you dodge extra costs that can add up quickly. Efficient packing techniques and multi-purpose clothing can make this easier. You can use ride-sharing apps to find travel buddies and split transportation costs. By connecting with other travelers headed in the same direction, you can share rides, save money, and even make new friends along the way. Did you know that house sitting or pet sitting can provide you with free accommodation in exchange for taking care of a home or pet? This arrangement not only cuts down on lodging costs, but also gives you a more homey experience compared to hotels or hostels. Surprisingly, some countries offer discounted or even free public transportation for tourists. Tourist passes or special deals can make getting around a city much cheaper. It's worth researching transportation options before you travel to take advantage of these offers. You might be surprised to learn that you can find free walking tours in many major cities, often led by knowledgeable local guides. These tours typically operate on a tips-only basis, allowing you to enjoy a guided experience while paying what you can afford. An interesting fact is that you can rent a bicycle in many cities for a low cost and explore at your own pace. Biking around is not only economical, but also gives you a unique perspective on the local scenery and culture. Many cities have bike-sharing programs or rental shops for easy access. Did you know joining online travel communities can provide you with insider tips and recommendations from locals and fellow travelers? Platforms like forums, social media groups, and travel blogs can offer invaluable advice and experiences that you won't find in guidebooks. Interestingly, you can use apps and websites to find last-minute deals on flights and accommodations. These tools can help you snag discounts on unsold inventory, making spontaneous travel more affordable. Keep an eye out for special promotions and flash sales. Have you heard that you can volunteer abroad in exchange for free accommodation and sometimes even meals? Programs that offer volunteer opportunities in exchange for room and board can significantly reduce your travel expenses while allowing you to give back to the community. Interestingly, subscribing to airline newsletters can alert you to flash sales and special discounts not available to the general public. Being on an airline's email list ensures you get notified of deals as soon as they are announced, giving you a better chance to book at lower prices. Did you know staying in university dorms during the summer months can be a cheap and central accommodation option? Many universities rent out their dorm rooms during the off-season, providing affordable lodging that's often located in prime city areas. You can use couchsurfing platforms to find free places to stay and meet locals. Couchsurfing not only saves you money on accommodation, but also offers a chance to connect with locals who can share their knowledge and culture. Interestingly, taking overnight buses or trains can save you a night's accommodation cost. By traveling overnight, you can reach your next destination while also saving on hotel expenses. This is a practical option for budget travelers covering long distances. Did you know some restaurants offer discounted meals during certain hours, known as happy hours? Dining during these times can help you enjoy delicious food at a fraction of the usual cost. Check local listings or ask around to find the best happy hour deals. Can you believe you can find free or cheap cultural events like concerts and festivals by checking local listings? Many cities host a variety of events that are open to the public. Keeping an eye on local event calendars can help you experience the local culture without spending much. Did you know some destinations offer free or discounted travel passes for tourists? These passes often include transportation and admission to major attractions, providing excellent value. Researching and purchasing these passes can enhance your travel experience while keeping costs down. Have you heard that participating in loyalty programs at hotel chains can earn you free nights and other perks? By joining these programs, you accumulate points with each stay, which can later be redeemed for free accommodations, upgrades, or other benefits. Interestingly, you can often find discount codes for tours and activities on travel blogs and forums. Travel bloggers and forum members frequently share promo codes and deals that can help you save money on popular attractions and experiences. Did you know you can pack a travel-sized laundry kit to wash clothes on the go, reducing the need for excess luggage? Bringing a small kit with detergent and a portable clothesline allows you to do laundry in your hotel room, letting you pack lighter and save on baggage fees. If you've got your own budget travel tips, drop them in the comments below. Head out on your next adventure. The journey never ends.